I'm going to fill it to the cup runneth over here. Here comes the train.
Here it comes.
Alright, we're going to do a beer can chicken burger.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
This sounds good.
It's about time.
Bringing back the old school flips.
Most of the entire world knows about the beer can bacon burger. Right?
I like it.
Mean, it's been around, I don't know, 20 million views.
Bringing chicken into it.
Yeah, so we're going to do the chicken thing on this, and it is awesome. You just got to check this out. Now, to make this is real easy to do. Of course, you're going to need some ground chicken, right? And use the freshest you can get right here. And you're also going to need the bacon, right? That's really cool. You're going to need some chicken, right? And here we have a chicken we roasted.
Nice rotisserie chicken.
Rotisserie, that'll work. We're going to use that as a stuffing. And you're going to need some seasoning right here. And you're going to need your favorite beer, or whatever beer you got going on. It's real easy to do. So let's show you how we're going to do this. All right, the first thing we got to do is make the meatball. We got to make a nice meatball, right? So here's your ground chicken, right? And we're going to make a meatball out of it. All right. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. There we go. Meatball made. Next thing you want to do is you're going to take your beer can. Here's the beer part of the beer can chicken burger. It is a mold, and you form right around the can, just like that. And it's really easy to do. The idea here is you want to make a cup. Right? Now, it's not going to stay like that. You're going to need some adhesive.
Some bacon.
Some bacon.
Nature's super glue.
There it is, man. And I'm going to wrap it around, just like our famous beer can bacon burger, using beef. And we form it just like that. Now, let me get this out of the way here. And we're going to take, it's a little greasy, man, using chicken, bacon, and we're going to remove, it's like a suction cup, just like that. Okay. You shape it with your fingers again. Now, you just shape it up. Now we got to fill it.
Oh yeah, stuff it with some chicken.
Yeah, we got some dark meat in here.
Put some thigh in there.
Yep.
Start ripping that apart.
Oh man.
Putting that right in there.
This is going to be good, man.
Some nice,
I'm telling you.
nice thigh meat.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, this is going to be something.
All right. Oh yeah, just stuff it.
I'm going to take all that meat there.
Fresh rotisserie chicken.
Nice.
And just pile it good. That'll do it.
There we go.
All right. Now, you got to take it a little bit of seasoning.
Step it up a notch for some
Yeah.
SPG.
We're just using some old
Nothing
salt,
better
pepper,
than our
garlic.
old classic.
Oh yeah. And one other thing here. We're just going to add a little piece of bacon to melt on. There you go.
That looks good.
Yep. You get it right in here and I'll put it right on the top.
Here?
Nope. The bacon's pretty greasy and the whole lot, I think so. I think this will work.
Oh yeah.
We're going to put them on a sheet pan. You don't want to put them directly on the grill itself because the chicken will kind of melt through the grill. Yeah, all right. So we'll just go ahead and make another one. So for those who fell asleep, again, you make a meatball. I don't know how the chickens pronounce it. Meatball? Is that how the chicken is? I don't know.
I'm not sure, but all I know is that it's gonna be good. That's for sure.
Yep. So, this is the beer can part. Beer can chicken. The beer can bacon burger that we did, I don't know, 12 years ago, I forget.
Oh, it was a while ago.
Yeah, it's probably the most famous burger on the planet. I mean, it's on more websites. It's referred to many places.
Everyone just likes stuffing meat with stuff. That's about it.
Yep. Stuffing
It's
meat.
a fun thing, stuffing meat with different types of meat.
Oh, yeah.
Fillings.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You could use chili.
Anything you dream of.
You know, I mean. So, again, on goes the bacon. And we're just going to pull it out. A little bit here. Just like that. Oh. That's compression right there, man. I'm telling you what. At least 9 to 1. There it goes. Alright. And we'll just shape it a little bit. It's like everything, it takes a little care. And then
Put it up with some
stuff it. Stuff it. Guess you could use white meat, dark meat, whatever kind of meat. I think we need more jitterbug. No,
tasty
yeah.
drum bone meat.
Yeah. The meat right along the bone, that's the best part, man.
There you go.
Now, biting into this, I am telling you, it's going to be awesome.
Oh. You're not going to be able to beat this one.
There we go. Shoot, we could do this all day. We were supposed to make, what, 50 today? Why the hell are we going to do 50, man?
50
yeah,
of
that
them.
looks good. That looks good. All right. I see it. All right.
That's it.
Stuffed. Today we're using chicken meat. Hence the beer can chicken burger. Put a little more fat. The chicken is actually low fat. So we're introducing more fat using the bacon. And, oh man, how about a little SPG? Or at least salt and pepper, whatever you got.
Sprinkle that baby on, load her up.
There we go.
Looks good enough to eat already.
Oh man. So we got to make another, what, 30, 40 of these?
Something
We got
like
enough
that.
chickens in the yard, I think.
Got enough chicken.
I haven't seen Martha and the chickens lately. I mean, not lately.
I haven't seen it.
All right. All right. Your favorite beer. And no, Modelo is not paying for this. Although maybe they wish they are. So, again, the beer can mold. Shape the ground chicken around it.
Slap your,
And the
slap your
Band-Aid.
glue
Beautiful.
right around there.
Warm it nice and tight. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect, man. Let me get the get my rag right here. Nice and tight. There we go. Now, I'm going to fill it to the cup runneth over here. Here comes the train.
Here it comes.
Train just coming down the track.
Oh.
You know he's going to stop the train.
Oh,
You can
they're going to smell
You can
this.
smell it, all right. So, one last to the tray. And we're just going to sit back and relax. We can just fix that a little bit. This will all tighten up nice. All right. Put it on the grill opposite the hot coals. You want to bake them. All right. We've got a grill temperature of about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. And all right, the train is going to be flagged down. We'll see you in a little bit.
Come on, boys.
Oh yeah. All right,
Ready to put some cheese on. Let's do this. We're getting hungry here.
Look, oh man, take a look at that. Oh yeah, let's get some
of that cheese on there.
Slice or two, put it on top. Look at this, beautiful.
Double them up.
We'll let that melt, and we'll see what happens. It's gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
Now use your favorite condiments, man. You know, I mean, you can use mayo. Here we're using ranch.
Oh yeah.
It's like ranch chicken, right? It kind of goes together. Lord have mercy. This is the part we've been waiting for.
Always waiting on the eating scene.
Oh yeah. Yeah, use plenty of ranch, man. I mean, this is gonna really kick up the flavor several notches. You know.
Oh, I'm loading it up.
Goes perfect with the bacon. So. Oh man. Why don't we just do the ranch thing, man?
Mm-hmm. The ranch sandwich?
Yeah, have a ranch sandwich.
Been there, done that.
Alright. Oh, man. Alright, this cheese has got to be melted.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah. Perfect, perfect, man.
We're ready to rock.
Alright, man. Alright. Oh man. Yeah. Oh man. I think, man. Ooh. Take a look at that.
Look at that.
Man, you're talking beer can bacon chicken cheeseburger. They're freaking awesome.
Look at these.
I'll tell you what.
Right.
Perfect.
My bad.
All right, take a look at that. Now, you could set these up any way you want. I'm just going to do a plain Jane right here, a plain
Jane.
Martha, right? Look at that.
We gotta go see what our flavors are like.
Oh, yeah. Now, you could do tomatoes and lettuce and all that fancy ass shit, but, excuse my language, but this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you.
I'm
and
ready.
We're not Apollo, man. Tender. Outrageously tender. You know?
Nice and light. Great for a summer day. Got that bacon flavor all throughout it. Got that rotisserie chicken in there.
Far better than that Chicken McLicken place, right? Whatever they go to. I don't know what it is.
Way better than that place.
Extremely tender for ground chicken too. As you know,
Cooked
ground
absolutely
chicken
perfect.
can be tough if you're not careful. But the way this is all set up with the bacon, the cheese, man, I gotta stop talking, sorry. Oh. All right, let's step this beer can bacon chicken cheeseburger.
Let's step it up a notch.
Yeah, to another level. So
We're gonna go in heavy here.
there we go. Oh man.
We're gonna do one a buffalo style and one a classic.
Yeah.
So now the classic is gonna get nice piece
The lettuce.
of lettuce,
Oh yeah, eat your lettuce, Mama would say, right?
big little piece of tomato.
Look at that. Perfect. Double tomato.
Double tomato, double lettuce.
Oh man. The fresh tomatoes are coming into market now too. All right.
Look at that.
That's it.
Wanna get a?
Nope. I'd say just
There's
put
that
that
one.
aside.
Now this one.
We're gonna sell that one for about
This-
$35. All
This
right.
one here.
Woo.
We're gonna go on a blue cheese binger.
There we go.
We're gonna take some blue cheese out of here. Some nice blue cheese crumble.
That's
I'm gonna
it.
put it right across the top of that. Try to get it to stay the best you can.
Yeah. That's gonna be an outrageous contrast, man. You get into that blue cheese.
Right. So now there's your blue cheese.
But
Now we're gonna load it up.
there
You
you
already
go.
got your ranch on there. So now we're gonna
Yep.
make this one like a buffalo style.
There you
A little
go.
bit of your Frank's Red Hot.
You got it.
You know, you can't have enough Frank Red Hot.
No,
so.
no. And Frank's didn't pay us to do this either, remember?
There you go.
So, oh. Here you go.
There's your chicken.
Buffalo,
There's your hot chicken.
Yep. Buffalo blue cheese.
Boom.
Beer can bacon chicken burger. Oh, man.
Can't beat that.
All right. So, just take a look at that. So it's all, look at that. Even got the bee in there. Oh, look at his chops.
Mm-hmm.
BBQ Pit Boys for life, man.
BBQ Pit Boys for life.
You got it. You got it. Oh, now this is the buffalo. Look at that. That's what you're working with right there. Tender chicken in tender chicken sandwich with a little bit of the heat. Man,
That's a good look
we got
right
the blue
there.
cheese in there. Oh man, that's a $15, $20 sandwich.
Oh, all
Now
day.
here's the classic.
Classic.
Yep, you'll get this at your local chicken house franchise, right? So, whoa. Let's see what this baby's gonna look like. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's a sandwich. That's worth the 15 minutes in the drive-thru, isn't it? Oh yeah. All right. Perfect. So, remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQ Pit Boys.
.com.
Good.